Hi, my name is Alex, and today we'll be going over how to access your grades and view professor comments on Blackboard. First, you'll head to blackboard.nec.edu and log in here with your username and password. Be sure that sign in with a third-party account is also visible in this box, and keep in mind that your password is the same as your NEC email password. If you need help with this, contact helpdesk@nec.edu for assistance. Then we can go ahead and log in. Firstly, you'll be brought to your institution page, which has an instructional navigation video, institution information, and NEC resources. You can reach your grades a few different ways. If you want to view the grades for all your courses at once, click the Grades tab on the left sidebar navigational menu. If you want to view your grades for a specific course, go to Courses, select a course from the list, then Grades from the Inset window's left navigational menu. Normally, your current grade will show up in place of these dashes. Your professor might also not elect to use Blackboard, in which case it will show up blank. In the My Grades tab, the title of the course will appear on the top left of the Inset window, as well as the CRN number and professor's name. Below, you can change your view using these options, and this drop-down menu will change the order of your grades. By default, it will always appear as last activity. To view your instructor's comments on an assignment, clicking the blue word balloon will bring up a pop-up window with them. The window will close by clicking X or any other part of the web page. You can also view your grades for each individual course by clicking the course title link in the Grades tab of the main menu. That's all for now, and I'll see you on campus!